muffins today on Weekend at the Cottage. Hello friends, welcome. My name is Nick Manojlovic and I am your host. If this is your first time here, you're about to discover everything about Weekend at the Cottage. We're an online destination, a website dedicated to great food and drink recipes. We offer tips on entertaining, gardening, cottage decor, everything else you need to enjoy your life to the fullest. We also have a dedicated YouTube channel. So at the end of this video, don't forget, subscribe to our website and also our YouTube channel. Today you are in for a real treat. To begin, a hug, a squeeze, a kiss to my beloved sister Lisa for sharing her fabulous muffin recipe. And these muffins are fabulous. 3 great things about them. They're really easy to prepare. Number 2, we love the flavor. Number 3, they are perfect if you're ever on a road trip. Make a batch of these muffins, pass them out in the car. You need something for the side of a breakfast or a brunch or just an afternoon snack. Make these, everyone will enjoy it. They're especially kid-friendly. Don't know what it is about this recipe, but kids gobble them up. Now, before we begin, a couple of things. We're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Rack is in the middle position. Number 2, make a decision. Are you gonna make large muffins or small? If you're doing the large, you're gonna need 1 tin like this. And like most muffin recipes, we start by taking paper liners. We're gonna place 1 into each well on the pan. To begin the recipe, let's assemble our dry ingredients. We start with 3/4 of a cup of bran. Second ingredient is 2/3 of a cup of whole grain spelt flour. We love the Bob's Mill product. It's a great flavor profile. It has a high water solubility. Most important to me, I find, it adds a wonderful nuttiness to this recipe. So 3/4 of a cup of the whole grain spelt flour go into a bowl. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. I love how Lisa spices up this recipe by adding 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. You have an option: spoon, whisk, or fork. Stir your dry ingredients together. Set the dry ingredients to the side. Let's continue with our wet ingredients into a second bowl. I have 1/2 cup of canola oil, nice and light. Then you need to make a decision. Lisa's original recipe is for pumpkin muffins, so she often cooks off a pumpkin. I couldn't find a pumpkin, I'm off season. I go to the canned section, beautiful, organic pumpkin, and then I looked beside it and they had a pureed sweet potato. So I thought, let's make sweet potato muffins. 1 cup of the sweet potato puree goes into the bowl. There's also a dairy component, 1/2 cup of plain organic yogurt, 2 eggs, extra large, room temperature. Take a whisk or fork or spoon, stir those wet ingredients together, and now move your dry ingredients back into focus. We're gonna add our wet and stir them together. There's a really nice dried fruit component in the recipe. 1 cup of raisins. I decided to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. I'm doing 1/2 cup of blonde, 1/2 cup of Thompson's, but if you only have 1 type of raisin in the house, simply add that cup into the batter. Mix it together and we're ready to go to tin. Take a spoon and now we're adding our muffin filling into the cups. And we're filling right to the top. If you're a regular subscriber, you know Weekend at the Cottage likes to make sure everything looks perfect. Our final step is to take pumpkin seeds. I'm doing a little sprinkling on each muffin. Note, the pumpkin seeds are raw. I like them to toast up a little bit when they go into the oven. Our muffins are ready to go. We're transferring to that 400-degree oven. We're gonna cook for exactly 25 minutes. 25-minute mark, they come out of the oven. And again, this is one of the things I really love about this recipe. Give it maybe 5 or 10 minutes to cool, and watch this as you start this. These muffins are not stuck to the pan. They move, they twist, they come away really easily. The thing I really love, you know when you go into fancy coffee shops and you go to peel away the paper and it sticks to the muffin and the muffin doesn't come away and you're like, wow, what a waste? This is one perfectly clean muffin ready to be enjoyed. Well, I had to enjoy it. There's something pretty special about this. The flavor of the sweet potato, the spiciness of the cinnamon. It's got a great crumb. I love the seeds on top. Yes, it's crummy and seedy. These sweet potato muffins are fabulous. I know you're gonna wanna make them and enjoy them and share them with everyone you love. Other things to love, reminder, head to weekendatthecottage.com, also our YouTube channel, subscribe to both, and then why not have a conversation with our head of social media, Carol Bagazi, Carol at weekendatthecottage.com, or on your favorite social media platform, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you to my beloved sister Lisa, she did it again. This is one gorgeous muffin we know you're going to want to try and enjoy. Take care, come back again soon.